What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Infiniti QX50 remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2020 to 2025 Infiniti QX50 and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on. And then the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that key to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we take a look at the bottom of the key fob, you can see there's these two notches, one right here that I'm touching with the end of the screwdriver, and there's another one just like it on that side. So what I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and I'm going to put it in that notch. And then as I'm pushing in and keeping some pressure pushing in, I'm just going to twist the screwdriver. And as I do that, you can see it starts to open the case. I'll come over to this side and do the same thing. Once it's started, we can just pull it the rest of the way apart with our hands like that. And in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. I'll use my screwdriver just to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that little holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first that's down here by this metal key ring, or this metal clip I should say. So start that edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. Then we can snap the two halves back together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.